Good morning, legends, crypto motherfuckers, everybody that's here in my group. All right, so it's about to hit my number again. All night, let me show you what I've been doing. I've been shorting over the whole number of 103. This was when I went to sleep, okay? And, well, I checked this from bed and I ran to the computer and took my money. So I don't know why it shows my P&L as negative, right? Here. But I got to here, okay? And then I was down $2,700. I went to sleep, fuck it, okay? I had a $6,000 gap. Guys, I've been doing 37X isolated when it's slow and I want to leave it for a long time. I'll bring it up to 47X, not afterwards, but I'll set the trade at 47X, isolated, and then use the pencil to add some money into the trade. That money is not wasted. Let me go back here. I have no trades open now. Okay, my back end, we're at 22,000 now. Now, I mean, it should say I'm positive finally. Ridiculous, okay? But in any case, so come back here. So we've been in this range. All right, so this is not like a real video. It's me having my coffee at 6 a.m. But I've been trading all night like a demon. And I know we're going to go back under 100,000. I want to catch it. Now, let's look at what happened the overnight. 1 hour chart. 6 a.m. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So around midnight, started pumping. That means on the other side of the world, they got excited and thought they were buying the dip. We're going to eat them the fuck alive. Yesterday morning, same thing happened. Now I know what time it is. We're going to have the lull. That's the in-between time. Look, we got a smaller candle. We're in between. Then around 9:30, we're going to have the stock market open pump. And you might be thinking, why am I looking to have shorts now? First of all, I like shorting. I'm a degenerate. All the money's made shorting. But I always teach you the walk-away method. This was my best one. I did this from bed last night. It was like, I don't know, 3 a.m., 2 a.m., whatever it was. Just fell off a cliff. $1,000 drop. I made a video, okay, and walk away here and all that stuff, but let's go back. So you can see the numbers. Let's look. 1027 I closed. Now this, look, at 37X, now keep in mind, I was putting a lot of money in the trade. Oh, there were 5 open orders, so I can't tell what was in the trade, but 800, I like to make $1,000 a trade, minimum. Do 10 trades a day, do the math, every day. I don't stop, I'm relentless. You can close at 14% with no problem. You can close at 10% on 37X and make money. Remember, I busted 2-bit. I made you a video and showed you, motherfuckers, I was up $500, closed the trade in profit, and had less money in my wallet. I watch these fucking exchanges for you. That's why we're at Team Us. This is what I love to do. So, let's continue, right? Now if you open at 37X, you're gonna hit a $3,000 gap. Right off the bat. Forget using cross. I don't use cross no more. It fucks you. And we got up to 22 grand. Now we're just chilling. I'm doing the walk away. I'm not eager to enter all the way below the whole number. I know AM pumps are coming. Now, so while I'm chilling, this is when I do the walk away, waiting to enter as well. Let's look at my orders. This is based on what happened in the overnight and where we can go in AM pumps. These are all limit orders. Okay? Remember, I have my whole wallet free, unlike Cross. And it's 6:30. I'm not looking to open a short here at the low. I'm waiting for the pump. Let's look at my limit orders. I almost never use these, but today I've been doing this cycle over and over again. Shorting over 103 down to the 12.7 area. Okay, it's been beautiful. Of course, this range will change probably by the time you see this. We know that about 9 a.m. we pump into the stock market open unless we get major red here. We had green singularity for a few hours in the overnight, 6 hours lagging indicator. That was your singularity. I didn't long that shit, I waited. I had short set. Okay, that's why I was down $2,000. Anyway, it's my gut feeling. I know we're going back under 100. Okay, but today being Thursday, I don't know if we have enough time before Sailor pulls another weekend pump, but it could happen. Anyway, I don't want to miss it. So, here's my orders. We're currently at 103.96, right? But we're in the low time. I'm not in a hurry. Okay, 103.200. All right, hit that. You start going up. I got to order in there. I don't know. Maybe it's $2,000, whatever. Right? Then the next one is 103.500. Then we get prepped if we make it to the next whole number, right? In AM pump time. 104, 104.200, even 104.500 to the middles. Do I think it's going to go higher than that? Could. But it doesn't matter. I am chopping into what I expect to be as a pump. And I'm not eager. I've been winning. Okay? I am up. So I'm not in a hurry. And we're barely over the whole number. But last night, we were here. Took a long time to break 103. I caught it. So now, I'm the assassin in the woods. I'm hiding. I can put a little piece in here now. Mark it. Let's throw 2,000 in. I'll show you. Open short at isolated 37X. Now let's look at what we got. Let's refresh the screen to be sure. Kick up the tunes because I don't care about anything. All right. Now, you have a $2,000 gap. That's not enough. All those orders that are going to come in, if I cancel them, it adds more money to my wallet. I'm in such control. I can add if we go up to 104 manually. I can cancel those orders. I can do everything that I can't do on cross. Now, how do I increase the margin? This is leverage. I don't want to mess with this. Once it's set, it's set. You see that 37X gives you a $2,000 gap. You could live with that, but it's really not enough. You could try your first trade at 34X. You want me to show you the cheat code? I'm keeping that for private in the Discord because I don't know who sees this. But there's a little thing that we do, a little trick. But let's talk about now using the pencil. This is the pencil. Again, I'm on Bitunex. If you're on another exchange, I can't help you. Price is stuck because we're in the between area. 630, it's called the lull. Lull. But I want a piece of it because we might drop off the face of the earth. An AM pump was not promised. Trading the moment. Savage. Now let's give myself more room here. Hit this. All right. So again, where are we? We entered a trade. We see our spread. Don't go lower than 37X. It's nice. Okay? Pencil. Where Cross used to use this whole thing. You couldn't do shit. Now I have control with isolated. I never use that. Why would you want that? So now look at my liquidation price, 105. Let's take some of my wallet and put it into my trade. What does this do? It doesn't change the leverage. Makes my trade heavier. When I win, it's a heavier trade at 37X. Okay, that's the advantage. Because you all like to trade with dust. So if I add $1,000, it does almost nothing. Look. It brings me up about 1,000. Let's say I want to really protect this trade. I could put $5,000 in. Look, my liquidation would be 112. And I'd still have money left over, like $8,000 to add to the trade. And it's not including my open trades. This is the most unbelievable hack that I've ever seen. The pencil trick with isolated. Look, I only put a little bit in. I love the floating wallet. Look, we're below the whole number already. Now remember, you can close here lower and make money, but you got to have good money in the trade. 10% of dust is always dust. So I put in that little one because I figured they would break it to the lower coordinates. The 888s are the lower coordinates where they buy the dip. Can I close this here? I could for fun, right? So let's put the next one in. Let's see. 103.5, 104, 104, 200, 104, 500, 103, 200. We need one at 103, apparently. I start with 2,000, then I see what the gap is when it gets filled, and then I do some pencil. At this time, you could do the walkaway method on your phone. So you don't have to stare at this. And then you'll hear the audible tone. When it fires off, you could be in the other room. Look, they're buying the dip. Exactly like I told you they would. So what do I expect? Look, with the 1 hour, it's starting to go green. I expect AM pumping. I expect the emos. So let's do this, you know? Let's not get tagged at the bottom. Get rid of that 103. Let's get rid of 103, 200. Let's have 103, 500. Are we desperate? Are we anxious? Do we feel that we're missing out? This is why I don't lose. I don't feel shit. Fucking legend. I live it. I don't give a fuck what they say. Let them buy the dip. So now why don't I want to get in at 103? I taught you how to read candles, right? Look what's happening to our 1 hour. We liquidated the fuckers. We took everything. And now, we got a smaller candle with a tail. This will go back over 103. It's the low. The spot between your ass and your balls, 6:30 a.m. on the chart. Look, it's mostly going to be my people watching this. So I'll show you. The Oracle assets. So we need to update the time because this doesn't have the low in it. Okay? The pump wave starts 7 a.m. and then we have 7 to 8 and then we have the 9:30 stock market open. It's great to be the motherfucking boss. Give a fuck about anything. I do what I want. I hope you can all get to this level. Do whatever the fuck you want all day. I can get up at 2 a.m. and trade the fuck out of these charts and nobody will tell me to stop. Doesn't matter if it's day or night. Look. Now, we might drop. If I see it falling fast, oh, I jump in at market. Yeah. I'm not going to fuck around. Same gig. It's got to start falling fast. But now, don't be tempted into shorting down here. You know the time. You know the numbers. You know the coordinates. I taught you the damn coordinates of exactly when everything happens. Once it breaks, once this breaks, it breaks down to the 888 area. And then they buy the dip. And then it goes over to the 226 area. Then it comes down, breaks again, and they buy the dip around, sometimes around the 700 area. Middle's of no man's land. 950 means you're going up to the next whole number. If not in that pump, then the next pump. It's very simple. Oh, the limitless is kicked in after 4 days. I took it 4 days in a row. I mixed it in my blender. I was like, fuck. And here we are. Peak creativity. Unstoppable, relentless. I hope you understand this. I'm making this to help you all. Now, I want to short down here. But I know it's stupid. Why do I want to be caught in a trade? Look at my lines. Look at my boom lines for them to step on. And also, I have a manual detonator right here of 5K. Having control of your wallet is epic. Trying to make this a little better for TV. Holy shit, if I look at this, hold up. We are close to a double, bitches. Hold up. Woof. Didn't even catch that. Look at them. They're going to bite a dip. I'm not getting trapped down here. Waiting in assassin mode. I just wait. Now you go have your coffee, you go get a blowjob from your girl, you do whatever you got to do. All right, go shave. All right, you have your phone with you so you can look at what? 1 hour chart. And you're going to have the audio turned up loud because BitTuneX gives you an audible tone when an order fires off. The excitement can't be contained. And let me tell you, I live in one hell of a paradise. Yesterday I was on my terrace and I was watching dolphins. Can you fucking believe that? Real dolphins. Oh, look, we're dropping. They're pulling back. You want to take a chance? We're risky, right? Damn. No, I should walk away. It's still in the low coordinates of the high number. We're near the 888. It could easily go back up. You're shorting under a whole number. You're breaking protocol. Yeah, it's a dolphin. I just showed my guys. The dolphin outside my fucking window. Look at that. It's crazy. Now this is where you get caught. Oh, I feel I want a short too. I wish I stayed in my short. I wish. You wish all the fuck you want, but I'll take you from here to there. I don't wish. I ambush. I wait. I am the assassin. I would go into this if it went down to the 400 area. Or if it fell faster, the velocity of the number. Ooh, look at the candle. It's getting stronger. Bigger the candle, bigger the move. This is what I say when I post in the DTU. Up here. Watch your 1 hour. That's what I mean.
And I know you miss your dad.
Take my dolphin picture away. I want you fuckers meditating me. Look, you want to see if we can do this? Is such a mistake.
But I'm trying to give you the life that I can see.
I had a $2,000 gap.
Even when you smile,
I had to protect it.
even when you laugh, I can see it in your eyes.
Now I'm protected to 108.
You wanna cry 'cause you're scared.
And I still got 9,000 left. I have all the control. Let's just break it.
Dad is with you and you
630. It's still low. It's the pull down.
no more crying, wiping tears. Dad is
Now
with
look.
you. No more nightmares.
I watch my wallet.
We gon' pull
I'm
together
way ahead.
through it.
If this goes against me, I'll close the trade.
Ain't the uncle's crazy.
I came from here to here.
Yeah, but he loves you, girl, and you better know it.
I don't like being in down here. I'm breaking all the rules, all the protocol. No, it's wrong. It's a trick. I give up $36 plus the fees.
Imagine smoking weed
Can I get green?
in the street without cops arrest.
I'm willing to drop 100 on this.
Imagine going
Watch
to
the number.
court with no trial.
It's breaking all my protocol. All the rules are being broken. This is how people get in trouble.
No
I'm the
else
fucking
is
oracle.
more conscious of the way we raise
I'm watching this. Goes to 100. I shut it down.
our days are shorter.
Don't do this. I'm only doing this now because I broke all protocol, because I'm a degenerate like you. Alright, I'm good. Bad mistake. Leave everything lined up as you had it. Follow protocol. Don't get sucked into this. It's going over 103. Look at the time. Look. This is intuitiveness. This is knowing. This is knowing. You would have got wrecked. Well, here we are. Legendary. Legendary. The intuition is legendary. The links are below the video. I was going to make this private just for my guys in Discord. But you know what? Let's just make it for everybody. Let's premiere this bad boy. I don't care if you say the music's too loud, whatever. This is what I'm doing at 6:30 in the morning. Who are you to tell me what I'm doing? I'm watching fucking dolphins. I'm drinking black and bitter like my bitches. That's all we'll say. That's what we say. Black coffee. No sugar, baby. Let's see. Don't short the bottom. See, stupid? See, I saved you. Still sit here, crushing it. Legendary. Let me share this with my group now. Have a nice day. I'm going to take everybody's crypto. Everybody's crypto from the exchange, and all my people are going to come with me and take everybody's crypto. Up or down, it doesn't matter. We are the assassins. We are the legends. Nothing like us. Let's have a great morning. Fuck everybody. It's the holidays.